Today I'm going to discuss the next concept of the matrices, that is operation on matrices. So in this section we shall introduce certain operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication of a matrices. So one by one we are going to discuss. First one is the addition of a matrices. So what are the rules you have to follow when you are taking addition of matrices? It means if two matrices are given, suppose if A is equals to, here some order, again B is equals to, again here some elements and order also given. So when we have to add these two matrices, it means what are the conditions, what are the rules you have to follow whenever you have to take the addition of a two matrices. First condition is whenever you have to add these two matrices, it means first order must be same. These two orders must be same, order of the matrix both are same, it means then only you have to start the next addition process. And after that, what is the next one more condition, means the corresponding elements must be added. The corresponding element, here what is the element A11, here also A11 and here A12 and here also A12, here 21 A22, here also A21 A22. These corresponding elements only have to add in the A plus B matrix. It means A plus A11 plus A11, A12 plus A12. So this way corresponding elements you have to add, and compulsory, what is the result here, what is the order of this matrix, 2 into 2, and this order also 2 into 2. The order must be same, then corresponding elements only have to add. That is the addition of a matrix. Let us take one example. Okay, here is the one example. Okay, observe here. If A is equals to, the matrix is given here 1 2 minus 3 9 and B is equals to 4 0 2 1. And what is the question of the here? Then find A plus B. That is the question. So we have to find out A plus B. It means already I will inform that. What is the condition? Both the orders are same, both the matrix orders are same, it means then only you can add. Okay, first you write the matrix A, it means write on the matrix A elements 1 2 minus 3 9. And what is the middle sign? Plus. So write it here plus. Then next result B matrix 4 0 2 1. Okay, then you have to add these two matrices. Okay, how to add, that I already informed that. Here first you observe both the matrix orders are same. Okay, next result, corresponding elements must be added. What are the corresponding elements? The first element of this result is 1, here plus and 4. And next second corresponding elements, here is the result 2, separately write it here, 2 plus 0. And next minus 3 plus 2. And next 9 plus 1. Correct? Then you can simplify this completely. What is the answer? Check out here. A plus B is equals to 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, minus 3 plus 2, what is the answer? Minus 1 is the answer. 9 plus 1 is a 10. So again this result answer is also a 2 into 2 order matrix. So this is the method for addition of a matrices. Addition of a matrix, it means order must be same, then corresponding elements must be added. Okay. Second example, given A is equals to, again one matrix is given here, root 3 1 minus 1 2 3 0, and B is equals to 2 root 5 1 minus 2 3 1 by 2. Then find A plus B. So again what is the result? A plus B, it means first you check out both the matrix orders are same. Here how many rows are there? 2 rows are there. How many columns are there? 3 columns. And here also 2 rows and 3 columns. Then easily you can add these two matrices. So I am going to add directly. So corresponding elements must be added. What is the result? Root 3 plus 2. Root 3 plus 2. Next 1 plus root 5. Next minus 1 plus 1. And next 2 plus minus minus. So minus 2. 2 plus, actually result is plus. But plus or minus, again you get the minus is the answer. And next 3 plus 3. And next one is 0 plus 1 by 2. And then finally the answer is A plus B is equals to root 3 plus 2. It means that again result is same only. You can write in this manner 2 plus root 3. And this is also same 1 plus root 5. You can't add these two results. So write it as it is. Minus 1 plus 1 answer 0. Again 2 minus 2, it means 0. 3 plus 3 is a 6, and this is again 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2, and this are also 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is the method for addition of a matrix. Okay, next one is the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Scalar nothing but it is a constant number. A number multiplied with matrix, what is the answer? You have to how to find out the result. It means, for example, A is equals to, I am going to take it here, 1 2 minus 3 and 5. This is the matrix A. So multiplied with a constant with this result, it is 2A I am going to find out. This is the matrix A. This is the scalar multiplied with the matrix. So 2A, how to find out? It means this 2 multiplied with all the number, that is the scalar multiplication. 2 into 1 it means 2, 2 into 2 it means 4, 2 into 3 it means minus 6, 2 into 5 is 10. So this is the 2A answer. Okay, this method is the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Okay, next one is the difference of a matrix. Difference of a matrix is subtraction of a minus b. Two matrix subtraction. Here A matrix is given and B matrix is given. It means you have to take it the subtraction. When you are given two matrices, then you find out the A minus B, that is the difference of the matrix. It means subtraction of a two matrices is called as the difference of a matrix. For example, I am going to take it here 1 minus 3 5 9 3 2 minus 7 1. Okay, two matrices are given. It means A minus B. How to find out? Again, here is the rule is same. Both the order must be same. Corresponding elements only have to subtract. Addition method only same. Just here only take it the subtraction. Okay, corresponding elements you have to subtract here. 1 minus 3. Next minus 3 minus 2, because A minus B is there here. Next 5 minus and minus plus 7, and 9 minus 1. So the answer is A minus B is equals to 1 minus 3. Answer is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. 5 minus 7 it means 12. 9 minus 1 it means 8 is the answer. Okay, this is the subtraction. Okay, just carefully observe, here is the minus sign. When in this type of situation, 1 minus 3 and minus 3 and minus 2. Here also observe here 5 minus and minus plus is the answer. So there one more example here. Observe, if A is equals to 1 2 3 2 3 1 and B is equals to 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. These two matrices are given here. Then find 2A minus B. First you observe the question 2A minus B. First you find out 2A, then subtract with the B matrix. First I am going to, here is A already given. First you find out the 2A answer. 2A it means multiplied with 2 all the elements. Correct? That is the scalar multiplication. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 2 is 4, again 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 1 is 2. We get the answer is 2A answer. Next one is here write on the B matrix once again. What is the B matrix? 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. Okay, so now you have to observe the question 2A minus B. 2A minus B means, so 1 by 1 you have to subtract. Now observe both the orders are same only, then corresponding elements only have to subtract, because this is the 2A matrix is here and B matrix is here. Again corresponding elements only subtract here. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Next 4 minus minus plus 1. 6 minus 3. Next 4 again minus minus plus 1. 6 minus 0. 2 minus 2. Okay, then what is the last answer? It means 2A minus B is equals to 2 minus 3, it means minus 1 5. 6 minus 3 means plus 3. 6, 4 plus 1 is 5. 6. 2 minus 2 it means 0 is the answer. Okay, so this is the last result. Okay, next concept, properties of a matrix addition. So what are the properties are there in the matrix addition? First one is the commutative law. I think all of you know this structure. Commutative law, associative law, and the existence of a additive in identity, and the existence of a additive inverse. So one by one you have to go. So what is the commutative law? Commutative law, it means, I think already you know this result. commutative law in addition of a matrix. So what is the answer? It means A plus B is equals to B plus A. A and B are two matrices. Whenever I have to add A plus B, that answer, or B plus A, both answers are same. Yes, obviously satisfied in the matrix addition. A is nothing but A is the one of the matrix. B is also one of the matrix. That reverse also 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2, both will be same only. Same in the case of matrix addition also you will get the commutative law is satisfied. So this is the commutative law. And next associative law also already know that. What is associative law? A plus B plus C, 3 sets you have to take it here, 3 matrices you have to take it in both the side. And first these two results, okay, again these two results. Also take it, this is also satisfied, A plus B plus C or A plus B plus C. First you add these two results and add with A answer also equal to this matrix result. So this is the associative law also satisfied. And next one is important, existence of a additive identity. Identity nothing but any number you have to add with that number, again you get the same answer. So that result in the matrix, it means any number you have to add, it means 0 is the only one number. See observe here, 1 plus 0 answer is 1 only, 5 plus 0 answer also 5 only. So any number you have to add with 0, you get the same answer. It means 0 is the additive identity. But the question is, you have to find out existence of a additive identity in the matrix addition. So matrix addition, it means 0 matrix. I think already you know that. So 0 matrix is the additive identity. So it means 0 matrix. So how to write this result? It means A plus 0 is equals to A is the answer, or reverse also 0 plus A also you can take it the matrix, again you get the A is the answer. 0 matrix, it means all the elements are 0. Whatever number you have to add, again you get the same answer only. So this is the existence of identity, additive identity. And same case, existence of additive inverse. Inverse nothing but, see observe here, A is a matrix. Inverse of this matrix nothing but A inverse. This way how to write it. So what is the A inverse of that matrix? Let me, that is again formula. A plus A inverse is equals to, here what is the identity? Additive identity 0, so 0 matrix, that result you have to get here compulsory. Then only you can say this is the inverse of the matrix. And reverse also A inverse plus A answer. So this is your identity and this is your inverse of the matrix. Whenever you have to add with the matrix and inverse, it means you get the answer identity element, it means that result is the inverse of the matrix. Correct? So these are the results. Next result, properties of a scalar multiplication of a matrix. Scalar multiplication of a matrix already studied here. So what is the result? What are the properties? It means two properties are there. Simple property. First one is K, it means that is a scalar number. Two matrix addition are there. Then multiplied with the scalar, it means what is the answer? It is very simple. This K multiplied with both the two matrices, then add these two results. Then what is the answer here? Observe, K into A plus K into B. Second result, K plus L, two scalars are there, then multiplied with the matrix. So two scalar, it means that K multiplied with the A matrix, then what is the answer here? K into A plus, then L also, L is also one of the scalar result, L also multiplied means L into A. Then you can add these two matrices, then will be get the answer is same. So these two are the properties of a scalar multiplication of a matrix. Here is the one question. Simplify cos theta into cos theta, here is one more matrix, plus sin theta multiplied with again one more matrix. After that add these two matrices. That is the question. So first you observe, you can say this is the scalar multiplication with the matrix. It means all the elements you have to multiply with the cos theta. Then what is the answer? Observe here, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Again cos theta into sin theta, write it as it is, cos theta into sin theta. Then cos theta multiplied with this minus plus a minus a minus a, cos theta into sin theta. Then cos theta into cos theta again, cos square theta. Plus, then sin theta multiplied with this result, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. And sin theta minus sin is so sin theta cos theta. And again sin theta cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. Then sin theta sin square theta. Correct? Then add these two matrices. What is answer? Observe here, It's very simple. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. First result only have to add here. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Next, here cos theta sin theta plus minus again sin theta cos theta. So write this result. Cos theta sin theta plus minus sin theta cos theta. And again here minus cos theta sin theta plus sin is there, again this result sin theta cos theta, correct? Then next last result cos square theta plus sin square theta. I think already you know that cos square theta plus sin square theta answer is 1 only, so write the value is 1, and these two results are cancelled, both are same only, plus or minus are cancel, again these two are also minus or plus also cancel, answer is 0 and 0. Again this is cos square plus sin square is equals to 1, and you just observe this result, it is a identity matrix answer.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Next example you have here. Find x and y. These two are the matrix x and y matrix you have to find out. And what are the given quantity? If x plus y is equals to, there is a one matrix, and x minus y means again here is a one more matrix. Using these two equations, then you find out the x value and y value. I think already you know that's by solving methods. First, what is the equation they given here? Observe x minus y is equals to 5, 2, 0, 9. This is the matrix answer, and you may also call it as this is equation number 1. And next, x minus, sorry, this is plus, and this is x minus y is equals to 3, 6, 0, minus 1. This is you may consider as a equation number 2. Okay, equation 1 and equation 2 are given here. Then how to find out? Usually it means you can also subtract these two results. Okay, equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2, it means LHS result first you have to subtract. What is the answer? X plus y minus of x minus y. Correct? First LHS result only have to take it here. Then is equals to, first this is the matrix. What is the matrix here? 5, 2, 0, 9. Then minus, again second matrix is this result 3, 6, 0, minus 1. Then you have to multiply this minus sign, it means what is the answer? You can remove this result, it means plus or minus x, minus this result is a plus answer, correct? Minus multiplied minus x minus plus y. Then you have to observe these two results. X cancel because plus x minus x cancel. Y plus y, what is the answer here remaining in LHS side? 2y. Then you have to subtract these two results. What you get this answer? Check out here. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 means directly you will write the answer. 5 minus 3 means 2 is the answer. 2 minus 6 it means minus 4 is the answer. 0 minus 0 it means 0 is the answer. 9 minus plus 1. So 9 plus 1 it means 10 is the answer. Okay, still you are not getting y value, just to y answer is there. So now you have to find out the y value. Y value it means here 2 is the multiplication, shifted this side means what is the answer here? 1 by 2 you can write. Then write this matrix as it is. 2 shifted this side means divided by 1 by 2. Now this 1 by 2 multiplied with this complete matrix. What you get the answer finally? Y is equals to 2. 1 by 2 into 2, it means 2 get cancelled. Each element you have to multiply with 1 by 2. That is a scalar multiplication. 1 by 2, 2 cancel, it means 1 is the answer. Then 4 by 2, it means 2 ones are 2 2s are there, minus 2 is the answer. Then 0 multiplied means 0 is the answer. 10 divided by 2, it means 5 is the answer. So this is your y answer. Similarly, equation 1 minus equation 2 you are taking. Next case, equation 1 plus equation 2 you can take it here. Then adding these two matrices or these two equations, then what is the answer? Equation 1 plus equation 2 you have to take next case. Equation 1 plus equation 2, it means again LHS result x plus y plus again x minus 5 is equals to, one more time write the LHS result, 5 2 0 9, then plus, and what is the right side, one more result here, 3 6 0 minus 1. Next x, here y results are cancelled, plus y minus y get cancelled, x plus x, 2x is remaining. Then add these two results. What is the answer? 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 6 8, 0 plus 0 it means 0, 9 minus 1 plus minus, so 9 plus 1 it means this result also 8. Then what you get the finally here, 2x is equals to, the 2x is equals to, you get the answer this, then x is equals to, you can write again 1 by 2 is multiplication, shifted this side means 1 by 2 is equals to 8 8 0 8. Then 2 also divide here, x is equals to 8 divided by 2 it means 4 is the answer, 4 4 0 4. So this is your x is equals to and this is your y is equals to.